Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, we will be creating yet another 10 backlinks. So we will start with the URL slides. Of course, I would ask that you already have your mail.com or temporary mail set up. This way you're able to go ahead and just get your verification emails already sent. I'll give you a moment to take a look at the URL slides. Then we'll go through site by site so you can take a look at the sites themselves and also get a look at the spam score, DA and PA authority according to Moz. So let's go over to the next slide. All right. So that should be enough time. We'll go through these starting with the Bejinger /forum. So on this particular site, let me just double check here. Should be able to see a no account. Forget exactly where that is. No account. It's right here under the register here. So it'll walk you right through. You'll be able to create your account and you will need to verify it. Alrighty, so let's move on to worldcosplay.net. So on this particular site, you will be able to get a profile link, and we are sitting on a DA75. All right, so the very next is OpenTravel.com. All right, it looks like they've had a small malfunction. I'm sure they'll get this back up and running. Let's move this over. Let me just take a look here. Yep, so what do we have here? OpenTravel. And I'm sure they'll have this back up again. Just because these sites are down, as you can see, it's still reading the DA51. You're still going to be able to get your link. Just give it some time. You'll be able to come back, revisit this. I would just make a notation. Next is forum.cyberlink.com. All right, so you will want to register at this DA83 with a small spam score website. Moving on to the next, which is giaonline.com. Here's the registration button. You'll need to verify, again, a profile. I'll let you get a quick look at what kind of link you'll be getting. Stuff just like this. You'll just get listed on the page. It's a DA79 though. So us.wantedly.com. Meet the company you will love. Not bad though. You'll be able to log in, get your link definitely. Next is a forum, wcfed.org. So this is a DA45. It has a spam score. This is where the links will be placed. All right. So as you can see, we have do follows. All righty. Not a bad little link. Let's move on to the next. Next is fontlibrary.org, where you will get a profile link. So as you can see, you'll be able to sign up here. It's a DA59, not a bad looking link. Next is splice.com. So on Splice, you will want to go ahead and sign up. It is definitely for free. You'll enter your details, and it's going to be a profile link. All right, DA58. Last but not least is Consensedu. This is a edu forum. Let's go ahead. It's a DA49 with a 1%. You will, let me just double check here. Yep, we have the registration here. It looks like I moved that. I just wrote profile. I wrote myself out notes. Action equals register. Yeah, that's what I put here. So action equals register. You'll need to translate this. Let me see if I could get this translated here into English. It's in Polish, unless you know Polish. The following reason given by the it's currently closed. So looks like you're going to want to look around to be able to get in here. All right. Or come back. Looks like they closed it down for now. And that's a shame. But it's one of those places, just like a lot of others that I'm sure you've ran into, where they only let so many people in at a time. So this is one of those things, keep it in your other bookmarks and just do a check. See if, kind of like the ones that were offline for now, but that doesn't mean they won't come back, because they do, especially shorteners. This is one of those where they just let people back. So if this kind of link, at this power level is something that you want, definitely come back and check. It's a DA50 almost. So double check it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next 10. So don't get discouraged here. We got more coming. I'll see you then.